In this video, we'll look at how to automatically rename PDF files with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. We'll use AutoSplit to rename a list of saved invoices using data from within these files to generate the new names. All invoices contain a unique invoice number and client name. We'll use this data along with a bit of custom text to rename all files at once. Before doing this, it's important to ensure that documents contain searchable text. If using scanned documents, a text recognition operation must first be applied. Let's begin. First, make sure you close all open PDF documents in Acrobat. From the menu, select Plugins. Then select Auto Rename PDF Files from the list. If necessary, click Remove All to delete previously used configurations. Now press Add. You will see a variety of powerful options for document naming. For this example, we'll select Text from Location and click Next. Then click OK in the window that shows. Locate the files to be renamed and open one. Now we'll extract text from a specific area to be used in the naming. Use the magnifying glass tool to zoom into an area on the page. Use the box selection tool to draw a box around the required text. AutoSplit will reference this position in each document when naming. Click OK. We'll add custom text to separate the two values, invoice number and name. To do this, click Add, then select Custom Text or Document Property and press Next. Any desired text could be entered here to act as a separator. We will add an underscore, the word invoice, followed by the current year, specified using a keyword, then a second underscore. Now click OK, then press Add again. Select Text from Location to repeat the procedure and add client name to the file naming format. Once this is done, click OK. All three entries are now in the File Name Components list. Optionally, check this option to select an output folder for renamed files. Ignoring this renames the existing files in their current location. Press Save Settings to save these parameters for future use. This will save as a document naming settings file. Use the Load Settings button to load these saved settings. Now press OK. We'll now select all the files that are to be renamed. Click Add Files. Then select all files to be renamed and click Open. The selected files will appear in the list. Press OK at the bottom of the window. Now you can review the new file names. Double-click on one to edit it. Note that the new file names are not yet confirmed at this stage. If the output file names are correct, click Rename or press the Enter key. A report box will show the operation's success. Press OK to close it. This processing report shows all renamed files and their new names and locations. Click Close to close it. All 10 input files have been renamed using their invoice number and client name from each document. With AutoSplit, renaming PDF files automatically is quick and easy. Visit evermap.com to learn more about EverMap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.